last period we had seen the posting of transactions, ledger. So we prepared the journal and the ledger. So today I am going to start the new problem. So next question. So I will ask entries because we have to complete. First, journalize the following transaction in the journal of Mr. Goel. So you have to write journal entries in the books of Goel. In the books of Goel. In the books of Goel. So January 1st, started business with cash. Aparna, you can start. What is January? Started business with cash. Here means who started? Goel. Goel started business with cash. So entry will be
account debtor to capital account.
Yes, cash account debtor to capital account. So entry you have to write cash account debit to Goel's capital. Okay, that person's capital account. Goel's capital account. Being started business. With the cash, no need to write because only cash he brought. Started business. So 1,65,000. 1,65,000. 1,65,000. Next, January 2nd, opened bank account in PNB. Opened bank account in PNB. Anjo, what is entry? Opened a bank account means cash deposited into bank. PNB bank. Cash deposited into bank. So entry will be Anjo, what is entry? Cash deposited into bank. Opened a bank account in PNB. What?
Bank account debtor to cash account.
Correct. Okay. Bank account debtor to, here you have to write that bank. Bank of PNB. If you are writing bank, also no problem. Suppose if you have more account means you have to write mention the bank name. Bank of PNB account debtor to cash account. Bank of PNB account to cash account 80,000. 80,000. Being opened a bank account. Next, goods purchased from Tara. Goods purchased from Tara. Goods purchased from Tara. Femina, what is entry? Goods purchased from Tara means purchased goods from Tara.
Goods account debtor
So what we are writing instead of goods, what we are writing? If purchased goods.
purchase account.
Correct. Purchase account to
Tara.
correct. It is a credit purchase. So entry will be purchase account debit. Purchase account debit to Tara account. Tara account. Being purchased goods from Tara. That is credit purchase. Being purchased goods from Tara. Amount will be 22,000. Amount will be 22,000. Purchase account debtor to Tara account. Next, January 8, goods sold to Naman. Goods sold to
The
Naman.
January 5, one transaction is there.
Okay, sorry. January 5, goods purchased for cash. Goods purchased for cash. Aditya, what is the entry? Goods purchased for cash. Goods purchased for cash. Purchase account to cash account. Purchase account debit to cash account. Being cash purchase. Otherwise purchased goods for cash. Being cash purchase, amount is 30,000. 30,000. 30,000. Amount is 30,000. Next, eighth, goods sold to Naman. Anila, what is the entry? Goods sold to Naman. It sold goods to Naman. What?
Goods. No, account.
Yes, very good.
Sale.
Naman account letter to sales account. Naman account debit to sales account. Naman account to sales account. Being credit sale. Being credit sale. 12,000. 12,000. 10. Cash paid to Tara. Cash paid to Tara. Hanna, what is the entry? Cash paid to Tara.
Related to cash account.
Correct. Tara account to cash account. Tara account debit to cash account. Tara account to cash account, being cash paid to Tara. $22,000. Next, 15. Cash received from Naman 11,600. Discount allowed 300. And what is the entry? Cash received from Naman, discount allowed. Anat. What is the entry?
Sir, cash account letter to discount account letter to Naman account.
Correct. Cash account letter, discount account letter to Naman account. 11,700, 300, 12,000. Being cash received from Naman and discount allowed. And discount allowed. Cash account debtor, discount account to next 16. Paid wages. Paid wages. Joe, what is generally paid wages? Wages account to cash account. Wages account debit to cash account. Being paid wages. Being paid wages. M will be 200. 200. Next, 18. Purchased furniture purchased for office use. Means furniture, purchased furniture for cash. Purchased furniture for cash. Aparna, what is the
Furniture account debtor to cash account.
correct? Furniture account debtor to cash account. Furniture account debtor to furniture account debtor to cash account being purchased furniture. Purchased furniture. Amount will be 5,000. Next, 20. Next, withdrew cash from bank for personal use. Withdrew, it is personal use from bank. Not withdrew cash for personal use. Withdrew cash from bank for personal use. So what is generally? Withdrew cash from bank for personal use.
Drawings account.
Correct. Drawings account from bank. So to
Personal account.
drawings account to
Personal account.
drawings, that is personal account. Drawings account to from where we
Bank
to bank.
account.
Yes. To bank account. To bank account. So being drawings. Amount 4,000. Over next 20, 22. Issued a check for rent. Issued check for rent. Anna, rent paid by check. Rent paid by check. Rent paid by check. So what is the rent paid?
Debtor to bank account.
Yes, rent account debtor to bank account. Rent account debit to bank account. Being issued check for rent. For rent. So amount will be 3,000. Next, 23. Goods issued for household purpose. Issued for household purpose. Used for personal use. Household, personal use. Use for use. Entry will be drawings account debit, drawings account debit to purchase account, to purchase account, drawings account to purchase, being drawings of goods. Okay, household means personal purpose. Next, 24. 24. Drew cash from bank for office use. Drew cash from bank. Cash account to
So,
drawing account to purchase. 2000. 2000. Okay. Next, 24. Drew cash from bank for office use. So what is the entry? Anjo, cash withdrawn from bank. Cash withdrawn from bank. That is drew cash from bank for office use. Cash withdrawn from bank.
Cash account to bank account.
Correct. Cash account debtor to bank account. Cash account debtor to bank account. Being cash withdrawn from bank. Being cash withdrawn from bank. $6,000. Cash account debtor to bank. Next, 26. 26. Commission received. Commission received. Anila. Commission received. Commission
Due to commission.
yes, cash account to commission account. Very good. Cash account debit to commission account. Cash account debit to commission account. Being received commission. Being received commission. So amount will be 1,000. 1,000. Next, 27. Bank charges. Bank charges. Bank charges Aditya, what is the entry? Bank charges. Aditya. So it is related with the bank expense. So entry will be Atul, what is the entry?
Sir, bank account letter to cash.
Correct. Bank charges accounted to bank account. Bank charges accounted to bank account. It is a bank charge, it is our loss. So then our bank amount will decrease. Okay, if you deposit amount, bank will be debit. If you withdraw, if they are charging any amount means bank will decrease. So decrease asset means credit. Bank account being bank charges. Bank charges 200. Next, 28. Check given for insurance premium. Check given for insurance premium. Aparna. Check given for insurance premium. So insurance premium paid by check, through check.
Yes, sir, insurance account debtor to bank account.
Correct. Insurance account to bank account. Insurance account debit to bank account. Being check given for insurance premium. Check given for insurance. Insurance account to bank account. Next, 30. Paid salary. Paid salary. Paid salary. Anas, paid salary.
The salary account at cash account.
Correct. Salary account to cash account. Salary account debit to cash account. Salary account debit to cash account. Being paid salary. Amount will be 7,000. 7,000. Next, one more transaction is there. 30. Cash sales. Cash sales. Aditya. Cash sales. Cash sales. Karthik, cash sales. Jalandri,
Sir,
cash sales. Sold goods for cash.
so cash account at to sales account.
Yes, cash account data to sales account. Cash account data to sales account. Being cash sale. Amount will be 10,000. 10,000. Okay, so journal is over. Any doubt related to any transaction? Any journal entry? Now we will start ledger. Okay. So first, which account we have to prepare? Anach.
Cash account.
Yes, cash account. Cash account. Debit record. Credit record. So now you have to look the journal. First entry will be cash account debit to Goyal's Capital. So now we are preparing cash account. So which side I have to write? Goyal's Capital, Femina. Now I am preparing cash account. So in that entry, cash is debit or credit? Femina. Debit. So debit side, what I have to write? Cash account. Opposite aspect we have to write. So debit side 1/1/2015 to Goyal's Capital. Goyal's Capital. Goyal's Capital. Amount will be 1,65,000. Okay. Amount will be 1,50,000. Next, so second entry, Aparna, what is the second entry?
Bank of PNB account debtor to cash account.
So bank account to cash account. So which side I have to write that transaction? We are preparing cash account.
Sir, credit side.
Yes, credit side what I have to write?
A bank of PNB.
Correct. By bank of PNB. By bank of PNB 80,000. 80,000. Next, Karthik, next entry will be
Sir, purchase account debtor to cash account.
Purchase account Tara. It won't come here. Okay. The next
Purchase
entry.
account debtor to cash account.
So where?
Sir, credit side by
Correct.
purchase account.
Very good. So January 5 by purchase account 30,000. 30,000. Anjo, next entry.
Tara account debtor to cash account.
Tara account to cash account. So where I have write credit side.
By
What I
Tara.
write by Tara. Okay. Yes. So 10 by Tara account. Amount will be 22,000. 22,000. Next, Hanna, next transaction.
Discount account debtor to
Cash account debtor, discount account to cash. The cash account to discount account to Naman. So cash is debit or credit? Now, in that entry, cash is debit or credit?
Debit.
Yes. So debit side, opposite aspect. What is opposite aspect? To opposite aspect. To Naman. To Naman. Amount will be 11,700. So in that cash amount is 11,700. Cash account debtor, Naman cash account debtor, discount account to Naman. So we are preparing cash account. So cash account is debit. So debit side we are right opposite aspect. It is debit credit aspect to Naman. Next one. Aditya. Next. Atul, next entry, next transaction.
Uh, 16 by wages account.
Yes, by wages account. Okay. In that entry, this credit. So by wages account. By wages account. By wages account 200. By wages account 200. Next, Anila. Next, Anila Mohan. Furniture account to cash. Where? Anila. Furniture account to cash. Aparna, where it will come?
Furniture account.
Debit or credit? Credit side by furniture account. By furniture account. 5,000. Next. Next, Karthik. Next one.
Sir, cash account debtor to commission account.
Before that one entry, 24th, what is the transaction? Do you cash from bank? So what is the entry? 24.
1 second, sir. One.
Oh, yes. 24.
Sir, cash account debtor to bank account.
So where I have tried?
Sir, debit side
Yes.
to bank account.
Debit, yes. Debit side to bank account. To bank account. Amount will be 6,000. Amount will be 6,000. Next, Anju, next one. $26. Yes, to commission. So 26 to commission account. To commission account. To commission account. 1,000. Next, 27, Aparna, 27. Bank charges come to bank, it won't come. Check given for insurance premium, it won't come. Paid salary,
Sir, salary account
yes,
entered to cash
yes.
account. So on the
By
sales side,
salary 30th by, not by salary 7,000. Next, cash account to sales. So 30th to sales account, 10,000. Okay. Now you have to balance. Okay. So now time is over. So you prepare the ledger. Clear? Remaining. So look that you write what are the account you have to prepare. Now bank accounts. Okay, bank account, purchase account, Tara account, sales account, Naman account, discount allowed account, wages account, furniture account, then rent account. In bank, every transaction in bank only, bank of PNB, everything. Then drawings account, rent account, commission account, bank charges account, insurance premium account, salary account. Okay, that you have to prepare. So that will be the homework. Okay, so cash account you have to balance, remaining you have to do. Okay, have a nice day.